All right, we're in the Tahoe wilderness and we are exploring.
That way.
And I'm really just doing a vlog to do a vlog. So just seeing if these settings work well. So let me tell you what settings I have for the vlog, and then if you like them, you can use them. But this is how I'm setting up my A6500 with the Rode VMP Pro. Oh, there's one boat on the lake.
Daddy, Dada, look right there.
Whoa, we found a teepee. We have to walk to that.
Oh my. Whoa.
We also found a fort and a tree swing.
Let me say something to these people. It's basically like they built a whole playground to visit. This is so cool. Here's the door.
Oh, look, there's even got a rock floor.
I know. How
Swing.
did you even get out?
That's a good question.
Well, we pulled the swing.
All right, we came out to the tree swing and I did not expect to find a person stuck.
Irene's your safety. Are you filming this whole thing?
Maybe. All right, to the settings. I'm in continuous autofocus. As you can see here, as I move around, I have the focus area set to wide. Seems to work pretty good on faces. I also have face detection on. I'm shooting manual exposure, 4K, but you're seeing this in like 2.5K that I edited in. I'm actually doing 30p, so I can slow down to 24 for a little bit more stable footage. The autofocus drive speed is normal. The autofocus track sensitivity is set to responsive. My audio recording using the Rode VMP Pro is set to 0 on the mic because the Sony's preamps are good. I don't have to use the plus 20 dB boost, and like 6 on the Sony. I'm shooting this in SLog 2. It's a slight variation. I think I made a few changes. I'll put those on the screen here. Hold on, stop yelling, please. Oh shoot, I forgot to change my white balance, but apparently it's at 5300, which is close enough out here, sunset-ish. Probably have to make a correction, but ultimately it should just been daylight. Although it's really hazy out here from the California fires. It's actually why we're up here. I'm escaping the smoke of Northern California, but I can still see a lot of haze. I have my peaking indicator set to 107 so that I can overexpose a little bit with the SLog 2 footage, which generally works better. My ISO is staying at 800, so everything's shot at 800, which is fine. I'm adjusting the aperture as needed. And then of course the image stabilization is on, and this is the Sigma 16mm 1.4, pretty much my favorite lens. All right, we've made it to the top. I guess this is the top.
No,
Lookout
it's
point?
not.
Yes, it is.
No, it's
It's
not.
the top.
No, it's not, because
For the second time, I thought I found the top, but apparently my daughter found the actual top, so I'm going up there. Did you find the top? All right, I guess this is the top. We found it, right? We found it?
maybe.
What?
Maybe. Look at that beautiful ocean.
It is beautiful.
Wow.
It's a lake, it's not an ocean.
Well,
Do not get on the swing. Do not get on the swing.
what?
I'm gonna stand up on this. I get back to that branch.
My gosh, if you fall,
Okay,
You're not gonna get back. People stuck out there. Here, let me get if I can get on the rope. Woo! Yay. That was dramatic. No, good job. Oh, it ended well. We got him unstuck. I didn't expect to come out here and hug a grown man, but happy results. All right, it's getting dark and a little cold, but because this lens is f1.4, I'm actually at f1.7. I can get enough light, even with SLog 2, to get hopefully a good image. So ISO 800 still, f1.7. All right, there's a good chance I fall going down this shortcut. Even the SLog 2, which needs to be slightly overexposed, almost fell.